Good morning, dear students. This is teacher Shubhangi. We are going to learn first chapter, that is rational number and irrational numbers. Okay, rational and irrational number. Very first chapter in maths. Okay, very first chapter in maths. So rational number and irrational number. Here, some of the points we are going to learn, that is natural numbers, whole numbers, then integer, then rational numbers is the new concept this year, as well as what is mean by rational number, definition of rational number. Okay, so last year we have seen about natural numbers. Anyone remember this? What is mean by natural number? So natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Natural number starts with 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Means it starts with number 1. It starts with number 1. Whole number starts with 0. Okay, whole number starts with 0. Okay, so natural number starts with 1. Whole number starts with 0. Integer starts with, integers are where the negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers. So in integers, the negative numbers are there, 0 is there and positive numbers are there. So all the numbers including negative, positive as well as 0. So these comes under integers group. These comes under integers group. So natural number starts with what? 1. Natural number starts with what? Before going to start rational and irrational number, we need to know what do you mean by natural numbers? Do you mean by whole numbers? What do you mean by integers? And then afterward rational number. So natural numbers are nothing but the counting numbers. Natural numbers are nothing but the count numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on are natural numbers. Whole number starts with 0. Integers contains negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers. So now what is mean by rational numbers? So rational numbers including fractions. Rational numbers are nothing but fractions. So the numbers in the form of m upon n, numbers in the form of m upon n are called as rational number, where n should not be equal to 0. N should not equal to 0. See, everyone knows number line. Everyone knows now would come to know that what is mean by rational number. But we need to know what do you mean by rational number actually. So whenever the form of m upon n, see, whenever the form of this m upon n, okay, this m upon n, can you see this? The form of m upon n, this is known as rational number, where your n should not be equal to 0. Why your n should not be equal to 0? Because in the denominator, if 0 would be there, so your answer would be what? 0, right? See, अगर मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा है 2 upon 0, for example, 2 upon 0, अगर मैंने लिखा 2 upon 0, so 0 is having no value, but if we divide any number by 0, our answer should be what? 0. So that here it is given the denominator n is not equal to 0. N is not equal to 0. Understood the definition of rational numbers? So you should know the definition of rational number as natural number starts with number 1. The whole number starts with 0. Integers are negative numbers, 0 as well as positive numbers. Rational numbers including fraction. M upon n, where n should not be equal to 0. N ये 0 नहीं होना चाहिए. Clear everyone? Understood the definition? Show me your big thumbs up if you understood it. Yes or no? Very good, Yogi. Only Yogi is attending the lecture. What about others? Very nice, very nice. So natural number, again I repeat this. Natural numbers are nothing but counting numbers, which starts with 1. Whole number starts with 0. Integers are nothing but negative numbers, 0 and positive numbers. Rational numbers are in the form of fraction. Rational numbers are in the form of fraction. So we have learned these definitions, right, last year? In previous year, we have seen natural number, whole number, integers. Rational number comes in this year. All right. So let's move to another slide. All right. So second, textbook page number 2, practice set 1.1. Okay. Now here, one number line is given. Okay, here one number line is given. Now see children, show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. Okay, draw a separate number line for each example. Now here, just a minute. Okay, now see here, what is the denominator? Numerator is 3 and the denominator is what? 2. Yes, 5 upon 2. What the denominator is? 2. Minus 3 upon 2. What the denominator is? 2. So in every fraction, what is the denominator? 2. If you observe in every fraction, what is the denominator? 2. So when we draw the number line, okay, when we draw the number line, so how would we draw this number line? So we'll draw, sorry. So how would we draw the number line? Just a minute. If we draw this number line like this, okay. Now what we are now what we will do, if once we draw the number line, what we'll do? Just a minute. So we'll see what is the denominator. First of all, once we draw the number line, we'll give here 0. We'll give here 0. Now we'll see the denominator. Now what is the denominator over here? 2. What is the denominator over here? 2. What is the denominator? 2. So in every fraction, which is the denominator? 2. Okay, so we'll take 2 dots as 1 because 2 is the denominator. So we will put 2 dot. We'll take 2 dots. Dots as 3. Okay. So first of all, we'll put here 0. Okay, then we'll take 2 dots as 1, 2 dots as 2. Make sure that your dots should be in the same distance. Okay, आप 1 सेंटीमीटर का डॉट ले सकते हो, आप 0.5 सेंटीमीटर का भी ले सकते हो. So it is up to you कि आपको कितने सेंटीमीटर का डॉट लेना है, but your dots should be in equal distance. ओके, नहीं तो एक डॉट लिया 0.5 सेंटीमीटर का, एक डॉट लिया 1 सेंटीमीटर का. नो, इट्स रॉन्ग. सो यू आर सपोज टू टेक द डॉट्स इन इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस. ओके, इक्वल डिस्टेंसेस पे डॉट्स लेना है. सो दिस 2 dots as 1, these 2 dots as 2, these 2 dots as 3, again these 2 dots as 4. So we will take 2 dots as 4. Similarly, we'll do with the left hand side. Okay, so here will be put 2 dots as -1, as negative side is on the left hand side, right? 2 dots as again -2, right? Again we will take 2 dots as -3, okay, and then we'll take 2 dots as -4. So what we will take? 2 dots as 1, 2 dots as 2, 2 dots as 3, 2 dots as 4. Then we'll take 2 dots as -1, 2 dots as -2, 2 dots as -3, 2 dots as -4. Understood how to draw number line? Understood how to draw number line? So we'll first see what? Denominator. We'll first see denominator, and after looking to denominator, we will put points. We'll take points. So here denominator is 2. So that's why we will take 2 dots as 1, 2 dots as 2, 2 dots as 3, and 2 dots as 4. Then on the left hand side, we'll take 2 dots as -1, 2 dots as -2, 2 dots as -3, and 2 dots as -4. Now it's the time to see our numerator, है ना? तो numerator को अभी कैसे count करेंगे? Now just look at 0. ठीक है ना? Now अभी यहाँ से हम count करेंगे 1, 2, and here it will come 3. Here it will come 3. So where are 3 by 2 will come? Where are 3 by 2 will come? So here are 3 by 2 will okay. So now here the denominator is 2, right? The denominator is 2. So what will take 2 dots as 1. Now we'll see our numerator. So numerator is what? 3. So 1, 2 and 3. So where are 3 upon 2 will come? Here 3 upon 2 will come. Okay. Similarly, we'll see second example, second fraction. So what it is? 5. Now again we will count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here our 5 by 2 will come. So first of all, what you are going to see? Denominator, and take dots according to denominator. So here our denominator is 2. That's why we will put here 2 dots as 1. Then 2 dots as 2. 2 dots as 3. 2 dots as 4. Similarly, we will take 2 dots as -1 on the left hand side. Then 2 dots as -2. 2 dots as -3. And then 2 dots as -4. Okay. Now after that, we'll see what is the numerator. Now in first example, the numerator is 3. So we'll count 1, 2, 3. So here it will come 3 upon 2. Second is 5 upon 2. So here it will count 3, 4, 5. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, here it will come 4, 5. So here it will come 5 upon 2. Now minus 3 by 2, where minus 3 by 2 will come? Now negative side, we will take negative, we'll see negative side. Now here on the left hand side, 1, 2 and 3. So where our minus 3 by 2 will come? Here our minus 3 by 2 will come. Okay. So understood everyone? It's so easy. Yes, very easy. Very easy sums. Practice set 1.1. First question. Show the following numbers on a number line. Draw a separate number line for each example. So what we need to do? We'll draw a separate number line. Then we'll see the denominators. Now, if the denominator is 2, we'll take 2 dots as 1, 2 dots as 2, 2 dots as 3. Similarly, we'll take -1, -2, -3 on the left hand side, and then we'll see our numerator. Yeah, we'll see our numerator. Now, numerator is what? 3. So, we'll take 3 dots as 3 upon 2. We'll count the dots. Then we'll count the dot as 5 upon 2. Then we'll count the dots to the left hand side as -3 by 2. Okay. As we move further, okay, you'll make understand how to draw the number line. Okay. Now let me show you our second slide. Now here 7 by 5 is there. 7 by 5 is there. Now we'll draw a separate number line for 7 upon for this. Now if we draw this number line as like this, okay. Now tell me in chat box, how many dots will take as 1? Let me know in chat box, children. How many dots will take as 1? Let me know in chat box. Very good. Tejashri, Radhika, Chetan, Arya, Tanu, Roshan. Everyone is giving answer. I'm so appreciating. Okay, very good. Very good. Harshada, Siddhi, Krishna. Everyone is giving right answer. Dhananjay, Ishan, Janvi, Shubhi. Very nice, beta. Very nice. Okay. Very appreciating. Now my ABC are in the form. Okay. Okay. Now here, just a minute. Now, once we draw a number line, so how first of all we'll take 0. ओके, यहाँ पे क्या आएगा हमारा 0. Now we'll take 5 dots as 1. Why? Because here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. अभी यहाँ पे डॉट्स जो है वो ज्यादा है, राइट? डॉट पे ज्यादा है तो हम 1 सेंटीमीटर का डॉट नहीं लेंगे. हम कैसे लेंगे डॉट्स? 0.5 as 1, 0.5 देन 0.5 सेंटीमीटर का हम एक एक डॉट लेंगे. ठीक है, तो हमारा जो नंबर लाइन है वो ज्यादा एक्सटेंड नहीं होगा. हमको हमारा नंबर लाइन हमारे पेज में ही फिट करना है. तो अगर डॉट्स ज्यादा, डिनोमिनेटर ज्यादा है तो हम क्या करेंगे? डॉट्स को कम डिस्टेंस पे अरेंज करेंगे. इफ द डिनोमिनेटर इज 2 देन विल टेक 1 डॉट एज 1 सेंटीमीटर. हमको डॉट्स का जो डिस्टेंस है वो सेम रखना है. ठीक है, अगर यहाँ पे डिनोमिनेटर 5 है तो हमको 5 डॉट्स एज 1 लेना है, राइट? सो व्हाट वी विल डू, वी विल टेक 1 डॉट एज 0.5 0.5 0.5 0.5 so that when we take 5 dots as 1. Now here see 1 2 3 4 5. So we will take 5 dots as 1. We will take 5 dots as 1. Okay, now in second, what we will do, we will take 5 dots as 2. So here for example 1 2 3 4 5. So here we'll take 5 dots as 2. Make sure that students, your point should be very clear. 1 2 3, you are not supposed to draw the line. अगर मैं यहाँ पे lines draw नहीं करूंगी तो आपको ऐसे आपको दिखेगा नहीं. इसके लिए मैं लाइंस ड्रॉ कर रही हूँ, आपको डॉट्स देना है. और क्लियरली आपका नंबर लाइन जो है वो थोड़ा लाइट में आना चाहिए और डॉट्स जो है वो डार्कन दिखने चाहिए. बट डोंट यूज पेन फॉर दिस. ओके, यू शुड use pencil only to show the number line. Okay, now here -1, 5 dots as -1, then 2 3 4 5. So here you are supposed to take 5 dots as -2. Okay, now here the number is 7 upon 5. Now here 5 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So where are 6 upon 7 upon 5 will come? Here are 7 upon 5 will come. Now where are -2 by 5 will come? Now we will move to left hand side. So we'll count it as 1 2. So here are -2 upon 5 will come. Here are -2 upon 5 will come. Now -4 upon 5. So -2, -3, -4. So where are -4 upon 5 will come? -4 upon 5 will come. See children, till last year we have drawn many number lines, but we have not plotted rational numbers on number line. So in this way we can plot fractions on a number line. Okay, we can plot fractions on a, we know how to plot 1 2 3 on number, how to plot negative numbers on number line, how to plot 0. All the things we know, but we never know about how to draw, how to plot fractions on a number line. So this year we are plotting fractions on a number line. Everyone understood this? So first of all हम क्या देखेंगे? Denominator, and then after that once our number line has been drawn, what we will see? We will check our numerator, and once our numerator will be checked, we'll see which is the numerator. Now if it is 7, then we'll plot 7 dots. If it is -2, then we'll move to left hand side. If it is -4, then we'll move to again left hand side. We'll not go in right hand side. So we'll move to left hand side. Understood till this? Everyone understood till this? Because at the end of this session, we are going to do evaluation. So for that evaluation, I'll call anyone and you need to give answer. So if you are having any doubt, so you can ask me right now. Okay. So let me know in chat box whether you understood it properly or not. Okay. If you all understood, then show me big thumbs up. Aman, on your webcam. Sakshi, on your webcam. Everyone should on their webcam. Yes. Very good. Very good. Okay. All right. Everyone understood this? Okay. Good. Chetan Patole understood? Okay, Shlok, understood? Okay. Roshan, understood? Roshan Ete. Ria, understood? What you not understood, Ria? It's very easy, beta. You are supposed to see the denominators. Once you see the denominators, plot 5 dots as 1, 5 dots as 2, and then see the numerator. Abhi numerator क्या है हमारा 7. So we will take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. तो यहाँ पे हमारा 7/5 आएगा. ठीक है. Now we'll see -2. अभी -2 पॉजिटिव साइड में जाएगा क्या? No. So it will goes to left hand side. So we'll count 2 dots as -2, 1, 2. So where are -2 by 5 will come? Here. -2 by 5. Where are -4 by 5 will come? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here are -4 by 5 will come. Yes? Sums are very easy actually, right? Abhishek understood? Yes? Abhishek? Okay. Rigved understood? Yashvi? Anushka? Understood or not? Yashvi Timari. To be understood. Anuj, Prince, Swara, understood? Okay. Sankalp. All right. Okay. Now let's move to another sum. All right. So now here 13 by 10 minus 17 by 10. Now how many points will take at as 1? How many points will take as 1? How many dots will take as 1? Just let me know. How many dots will take? Let me know in chat box. Good. Yes, very good. Very good. Everyone is giving answer. Very appreciating. Good. Very nice. Okay. 10 dots. We will take 10 dots as 1. So we will take here 0 and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So here it will come 10 dots as 1. Then again we'll count and take 10 dots as 2. Yes. Then again we'll move to the left hand side and we'll take 10 dots as -1 and then 10 dots as -2. Okay. Now here 13 by 10 is there. 13 by 10. Now here 13 by 10 is there, right? So 13 by 10, how will we count? We know this 10 as 1, है ना? तो हम क्या करेंगे उसके आगे का count करेंगे 11, 12 and 13. So here are 13 by 10 will come. Correct? Here are 13 by 10 will come. Okay. So we know that 10 as 1. So 11, 12 and 13. So here 13 by 10. Now -17 by 10. अभी -17 by 10 है तो ये लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में जाएगा. तो we know that this 10 as -1. Again we'll count 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So where are 17 by 10 will come? -17 by 10 will come. So here are -17 by 10 come. Here are -17 by 10 will come. Okay. So here 13 by 10 will come and here -17 by 10 will come. All right. Everyone understood? Yes. Okay. Very good. Very good. राधिका गुड. मैंने पूछा राधिका ने फटक से थम्स अप दिखाया. वेरी नाइस राधिका. ओके नाउ लेट्स मूव टू अनदर स्लाइड. Which number is indicated now? This is all about number line, numbers, how to plot numbers and how to draw number line. Okay, now this is the time of evaluation. Okay, now I'll ask Radhika only. Okay, Radhika. I have unmuted you. Huh? Now here, unmute yourself, beta.
Yes, teacher.
Which number is indicated by point B? Which number is indicated?